What do you think happens when you look at 6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6? Most people jump in fast and go, nice. 1 over 6 times 6. The 6's cancel. Not bad. Then they say the result is 1. And 6 divided by 1 must be 6. But wait, that is not correct. Let's slow down and do it the right way. Remember, in PEMDAS, multiplication and division share the same priority, so we must move from left to right. If we multiply before dividing, everything flips. So we start with the left side, 6 divided by 1 over 6, then multiply by 6. To divide by a fraction, we use the KCF rule, keep, change, flip. So we keep the 6 as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication, and flip 1 over 6 into 6 over 1. Ooh, now it's getting interesting. Now multiply. 6 times 6 gives 36. Nice. Now we're on track. Then we multiply that 36 by 6. 36 times 6 gives 216. Ooh, that's the real answer. 216. Here's your challenge. 8 divided by 1 over 4 times 8. Drop your answer in the comments. If this helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step math videos. Last secret. The next problem looks easy, but your brain won't expect the twist.